Yeah, so we've started trading anyway. Well, our humble beginning is still a very good one. Yeah, we started yesterday. You can see yesterday's transaction. Starting from yesterday, I was 526. We bought Atom. The robot was buying. Me, I was working. The robot was buying according to my preset target. So it sold here. You can see this is how you get to know. This is sell, this is buy. So it's buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. So you can see it's buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. Yeah, yesterday as well, bought like that. So it's buying. Even as of today, you can see me, I cannot sit down with system to be buying and selling like this. The robot is just working. That's why you need the robot to buy and sell for you.